welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do something a bit different. So I'm gonna do a holiday glam look, but I'm also gonna do my hair. I'm gonna do a ponytail, a drawstring ponytail. So I got this ponytail and I got it from Lulla Bellz. Well, it's not from Lulla Bellz, it's from Pretty Little Things. And I got it and it's so cute, and I wore it a couple times even on Thanksgiving, so I'm going to be doing a look with that. I'm just gonna do my edges, and then it's really simple to do. But as you can see, I'm looking quite different because I'm not recording on my phone anymore. So now I got a new camera, the Canon M50. So my quality amped up. I think I gotta get a mic, so I don't really know because I'm using the lens kit that it came with. So I'm probably gonna get a mic probably sometime soon, but we'll see how the sound works with this so far. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and we're gonna get into a look. I'm gonna do a simple glam look with a red lip and then probably like a, you know, a little gold eye. But that's what I'm gonna do, so stay tuned. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I need the support because I'm gonna need the coins because now I got this new camera. I'm gonna show you the stuff that I use to do the hair. So yeah, all that be in the video. Bye. Hey guys, you already know we're gonna start off with our professional eyebrow pencil by NYX in the color Espresso. You already know this is the dupe for the Anastasia brow pencil. It is so good. I love it. You gotta cop it. It's $10. We're gonna go in with the Poreless Face Primer by e.l.f. This one is really good and it really makes your makeup stay on the whole day. And to cover up the blemishes, we're gonna go in with the 16-hour Camo Concealer in the color Deep Chestnut by e.l.f. Cosmetics. Blend away, my lovelies, blend away. Now we're going with my classic OG Superstay Foundation by Maybelline in the color Caramel. If you don't know, now you know. Drugstore best. And you know, blend away, blend away. My gosh, I'm so excited for this Line and Define eye tape by e.l.f. I bought it for $3 and I've been wanting to use it because I was tired of using tape. I was tired. And I use this every time. Acid Rain paint by MMMMitchell and Louise for the primer for the eyeshadow. And honestly, this 3503 palette is so universal. I feel like I'm never gonna run out of the colors. They go with every season. You must get one. And we're gonna start off with the top of the lid and we're gonna cut into the corners of the lid. Honestly, I don't know what color this is that I use, but I'll have the name in the description below. I think it's called the OG. And I wasn't really feeling it. It wasn't dark enough, so I went in with another deeper brown and I just packed that on top of the original color that I put on. Now for the inner corners, we're gonna go in with the Editor's Palette by Ciate London. And I went in with the gold color because I didn't want too much of a pop because my lips were gonna be popping already. You know. Dust the excess away, like the haters, like the ex, dust away. Moment of truth. Thank God I don't feel like I'm ripping off my skin. I love this tape. Now for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way concealer by Too Faced in the color Butterscotch. Blend away, honeys, blend away. Must blend if you want a flawless under eye. Come on. So to brighten up my under eyes, I'm going to go in with the I Am Magic Concealer in the color J13 by Juvia's Place. Let's go. And for my usual, we're going in with the setting powder by SACHA Buttercup. Let's press in the powder under the eyes and on the small lines. And to bronze the face a little bit, we're going to go in with the contour palette by Black Radiance and the color Sculpt. We're going to do the cheeks and the forehead because the forehead's large. Shout out to all my 5 heads out there. Ooh, ooh. Now that the bacon's done, let's dust it off. For blush, I'm going to use the Mineralized Blush by MAC in the color Gleeful. This is such a universal color. Very natural. And to get my highlighter popping, we're going to go in with the Rose Glow Highlighter Palette by Milani Cosmetics. Just to add a bit of shimmer. I'm just going to use some mascara here to make my lashes stick on. I'm going to use the Lash Sensational by Maybelline. And that act like I didn't tell you, these are the best lashes. 3D Mink lashes, Amazon link below. And we're gonna go on with the lip liner After Eye in the color brown, but it's really a lip liner. Don't judge me. This is the best red lip in the game today. It is the Liquid Lip Stain by Sephora in the color 1. It goes with every single skin tone. I make all my friends buy it. And we're just going to put a little eyeliner on the bottom. We're going to use the Unstoppable Eyeliner by Maybelline. And to set the face, we're going to be using the Rose Water Facial Toner by Trader Joe's. I've been using this for a while. I love it. Yay, I'm excited for my ponytail. First, you need some gel. We need some hairspray and some edge tamer. You need an edges brush, some scrunchies, and some bobby pins. First, I'm going to start off by putting out all my little edges, my baby hairs in the front, kind of. This is how I do my edges. I'm going to start off with putting a little edge tamer on the brush, and then I'm going to start making little swoops. I do it 3 by 3, so I start in the top, I do it in the middle, and then I go towards the bottom by the ear. And I do my edges different every time, but when I do the ponytails, I usually do 1 in the middle and then the 3 on the side. Then after, we're going to get some gel and we're going to put it all around the head and the back. Don't forget the back. And we're just going to brush it and put it in a high bun towards the top. And then you got to go back in and fix the edges with the brush.
I miss you. I'm a little tipsy. I think about you all the time.
And to make sure everything sticks and stays in place, I'm going to spray some Got2b glue just in case. Now we're going to get the ponytail and get the comb part, and we're going to stick it towards the top of the bun. And then we're going to wrap around the little extra piece of hair that's hanging slowly and getting it to fit in a tight grip. Wherever it ends, we're going to get a bobby pin and we're going to pin around the whole entire bun to make sure it stays in place. And we're going to spray a little Got2b glue in there, and there you have it. And just like that, I'm done. So here's my final look, guys, with my cute ponytail and my red lips. Here's my Hollywood Glam version. Hope you like it. Did something super simple, just a nice little gold, some browns, and a nice red lip, and a cute little ponytail. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, please, to support me, and I will see you in the next video. Holla!